Welcome to English class, lesson 5, 100 dresses, part 1 by L. Besor Estir. Introduction of the chapter. From the title, it's clear that the chapter is related to 100 dresses. The 100 dresses is a story about a girl who is teased by her classmates because she is different. Different, we can say here that her lifestyle, her smiling style, walking style, even her name is different here. What is her name? Her name is Wanda Petronsky. A girl who comes from the poor part of town is the only student in her class with a funny, polished name. She is always quiet and she always wears the same faded blue dress to school every day, although she claims she has 100 dresses at home, all lined up in her closet. Funny Polish name because she came from Poland. Her name was a Polish name which was different from the American names. She is always quiet, remains silent in the class, and always she wears faded blue dress whenever she would come to school. Although she claims that she has 100 dresses, claims means to everybody. She tells that she is having 100 dresses, and she also tells that all dresses are lined up in her cupboard. But actually, everybody knows that she is having no dress because every time she comes in the same faded blue dress in the school. The story is told from the perspective of one of Wanda's classmates, Maddie, who is the best friend of the main player, Peggy, in the daily taunting and teasing. So, this chapter, the story is told from the point of view of Maddie. Maddie and Peggy were the two best friends. The main player of the story is Peggy here because Peggy first of all started taunting and teasing Wanda. So taunting is here provoking somebody in insulting manner to make fun. This is taunting and teasing. Maddie begins to wonder about the girl she and her friends used to constantly tease and realizes that she knows very little about her. She begins to wonder why they started teasing her in first place and is overcome with guilt for making fun of her simplicity because she is poor and has a funny name and is different from them. Maddie knows that she should have stood up to her friends and defended Wanda. So Maddie was having sympathy for Wanda and she knew that she should defend Wanda. She did not want to play such game with Wanda, but she was the fast friend of Peggy and Peggy started this game. So because of her friendship, she did not want to say anything. She did not want to go against Peggy. Maddie and her friends later discovered that Wanda is a very talented artist. In the end of the chapter, they came to know, Maddie and Peggy came to know that Wanda was very talented and that her drawing of 100 beautiful dresses has won the school's art contest. So there was a drawing competition and Wanda won the competition. The girls realized that they misjudged Wanda and felt incredibly guilty for never believing her stories of her 100 dresses. So they did not believe the stories, that is every time the same answer given by Wanda. Whenever Peggy and Maddie would ask that how many dresses she was having, Wanda would reply the same answer. The answer was 100 dresses and everybody would laugh at her because she was having single dress that was faded blue dress. But whenever she would say that there were 100 dresses she was having in her cupboard, so everybody laughed at her. This was the reason that Peggy and Maddie always asked the same question, how many dresses she was having, and Wanda would reply the same answer. Wanda Petronsky's seat. Now we discuss about the introduction of the chapter. Now we'll discuss the main point of the chapter. Here the important thing is the seat in the class. Wanda Petronsky was a small Polish girl whose family had immigrated to America. So immigrated is here, came to live permanently in foreign country. Here foreign country is America. They came from Poland. And there in one of the towns she studied in the school with other American students. So in that town in America, in a small town they were living, and she was having admission in an American school where there were American students, and all the students were having American names. But Wanda Pretonsky was a Polish name. So this was different from others' name. That's why student would laugh at her. Wanda belonged to a very poor family and could not afford to wear new dresses. She was very poor. She was not having so many dresses. Even for the school, she was having single faded blue dress. Therefore, she would come to school in a faded blue dress every day. Her dress was clean but not properly ironed. Dress was clean but it was not properly ironed. Wanda, this is Wanda, had a fixed seat in her class. She used to sit in the corner of the room number 13 in the last row. Room number 13 is here, class 13. This is room number 13. Room number 13, and she would sit in the last row in the corner in the class. This was the corner where the rough boys sat and made a lot of noise. Often there occurred a lot of noise of feet when some fun occurred. Whenever there was something funny occurred in the class, the great noise would come from such corner. Means in this corner the rough boys would sit. Here rough boys, you can say naughty boys, those who were always in habit of making noises in class. So Wanda would sit there, but Wanda was not rough. She was not naughty. Wanda was not like them. Them is here for these rough boys. She was not like rough boys. On the contrary, she was very quiet and timid. Very quiet means she was very silent and having lack of courage. Timid is here means lack of courage. But as she came on foot from Boggin Heights area and brought a lot of dirt with her shoes, she preferred to sit away from the students of elite class who made fun of her poverty. So she would sit in one corner. The reason was that she would cover the distance from her house to school on foot, and that's why she was having always dirty shoes, and because of dirty shoes she would sit in the last corner of the class. Next point is Peggy makes fun of Wanda. Means the funny game started by Peggy. And what was the game? The game was asking the question, and the same question every time. What was the question? How many dresses you are having? How many pair of shoes you are having? So these two questions were asked by Peggy, and this game was started by Peggy. Wanda was a kind of an introvert girl and kept quiet most of the time in her class. Introvert girl. Introvert means speaking, having a habit of speaking very less, and not uh, able to discuss the problem and situation with others, only uh, keeping quiet. In fact, nobody had ever heard her laugh. So nobody even heard her laugh in the class. Students paid attention to her only outside the school hours. Outside the school hours means after the full break or before the morning time, before the school started. Because during the school time nobody paid attention to her, because she was having no habit of talking, she was having no habit of laughing in class, so other students did not pay attention to her. And after the full break they were in habit of making fun of her name. That's why they were having the attention after the school hours. While going back home, they waited for her in order to make fun of her. Fun of her name as well as fun of her dresses. Two of her classmates, Peggy and Maddie, often did so. So Maggie and Maddie, they were in habit of making much fun with Wanda. Peggy was pretty with curly hair, and was the most popular girl in the class. So she was beautiful, and she was popular because she was beautiful, and also because she belonged to the rich family. She had several pretty clothes. Maddie, on the other hand, come of a moderate family but was Peggy's closest friend. Maddie belonged to poor family, but Maddie was the close friend of Peggy. That's why Maddie could not speak against Peggy when Peggy made fun of Wanda in class. Now, relationship or friendship of Maddie and Peggy. Peggy may seem to be mischievous, and but she was not arrogant. She was not proud. She was not cruel. She was mischievous, and the reason of mischief was the same answer given by Wanda. Otherwise, Peggy was not so cruel girl. Instead, she saved younger girls from the bullies. But she and other girls could not understand why Wanda behaved strangely and gave false statements about her dresses and shoes. So Maddie and Peggy, they were not able to understand why Wanda was giving every time the same answers. What was the answer? That she was having 100 dresses. Whenever Peggy would ask how many dresses you are having, Wanda would say 100 dresses. So this is not clear to them. However, the girls only made fun of Wanda. They never made her cry. Means there was no problem created by them. That was physical problem was not created. Just they started making fun of habit of Wanda. What was the habit? Replying the same answer every time. Maddie too was a poor girl and used to wear the clothes given by others. Here others is Peggy. So Maddie belonged to a poor family and she used to wear the second-handed clothes given by Peggy. So she was little sympathetic towards Wanda. So she herself was poor. She was having sympathy with Wanda but never objected. But she was having no courage to object Peggy's remark. As both were fast friends, the two reasons were there that Maddie could not go against Peggy. First reason was that Peggy was her best friend, and second reason was that she was wearing the second-handed clothes given by Peggy. But she herself never laughed at Wanda. Because she was having sympathy with Wanda, that's why she did not laugh at Wanda. She did not like Peggy's asking Wanda about dresses every time. Whenever Peggy mocked at Wanda, Maddie felt bad. She wished that Peggy should stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. Maddie even decided to write a note for Peggy asking her to stop making fun of Wanda, but she could not muster up the courage to do so. Note up means a written message. Once Maddie thought that she should write a written message and send to Peggy, and she should write that Peggy should stop playing games with Wanda. But she could not muster up, she could not collect the courage to speak against Peggy. Now, what happened in the class? There was drawing and coloring competition in the class. Wanda was absent from school on Monday, but nobody missed her. Means nobody noted that on Monday Wanda was absent. She remained absent the next day too. Means on Tuesday again she was absent, but nobody noted this. But when she missed the school for the third consecutive day, that is third continuous third day, that was Wednesday, and on that day, Peggy and Maddie noted that Wanda was absent. They wondered why she had not come to school. Peggy and Maddie surprised that why Wanda did not come to school. Maddie remembered Wanda talking about one of her dresses which was pale blue with colored trimmings. Meanwhile, a drawing color contest approached nearer, and Maddie began thinking about it. The girls were to design the dresses. Now the competition day came. The girls had to design different type of dresses, and the boys had to design motorboats. In Maddie's opinion, Peggy would win contest as she was very good at making designs. Now the result day came. It was the day when Miss Mason would announce the results of the drawing contest. Miss Mason is the name of the teacher. Peggy and Maddie hurried to their school. From the house, they were running to school because they were eager to know the result. Maddie was guessing and she was sure that Peggy would win the contest. It was drizzling, means there was light rainfall. Nobody waited for Wanda, and the girls reached their school only to be surprised. Hundreds of designs of dresses were displayed in the room. Now, when they reached school, when they saw their classroom, the classroom was having the display of 100 dresses. All were beautiful, all were appreciated, and each and every design was able to win the prize. Miss Mason announced that Jack Bagels had won for the boys. Now, from the boys' side, for making motorboat, Jack Bagel won the winner. And she also said, the teacher also said that all the 100 dresses, designs of dresses had been made by one girl who had won the medal from the girl side. And she was no other but Wanda Petronsky. Wanda's absence. When the result was declared, Wanda was absent in the class. But everybody was surprised to know that Wanda could draw, but she was absent on that day too. Everyone applauded, everybody appreciated, applauded, as the sketches made by her were all beautiful and different. Not a single one, but all the paintings were capable to win the medal. Peggy and Maddie identified the blue and the green dresses once mentioned by Wanda. Now, when they saw the hanging dresses in the class, they noted the blue dress and they also noted the green dress about which Wanda once told them. They were shocked to know her great quality of drawing and appreciated her drawings wholeheartedly. Now, both the girls, they were shocked that the girl was actually very much good in painting, and with their heart wholeheartedly they appreciated the quality of painting of Wanda. So the part 1 we have done. After this, what happened, we'll do in volume 2, that is 100 dresses part 2. And thanks for watching video.